The text has appeared again. This is because false string is a string, which when evaluated to a boolean becomes true. This means the false string is a truthy value. What is truthy? It is a value that is considered true when evaluated as a boolean. Most of the values you encounter in JavaScript will be truthy. And a false value is the opposite, which is a value considered false when evaluated as a boolean. And JavaScript has a defined list of false values. Some of them include false itself, zero, an empty string, null, undefined, and a not a number, which is the none. So in a nutshell, a truthy value is just the computer saying yes if the computer agrees. Okay, I stuttered. I'm sorry. So a truthy value is a computer agreeing yes if there is a value, or let's say, hey, there is something here, and if there is actually there, and if the computer agrees yes, there is something there, that is a truthy value. False value is just the opposite of it. Okay. In our case, try changing your if condition to an empty string, which is a false value. This is an empty string because it's a okay, this is an empty string which is a false value. Therefore, this is falsy. But if I put a value of the empty string, this would no longer a false value even though it is a string false, because the empty string has a value now. However, that value is false, which is just a word, which in turn or in itself is a truthy value. Okay, but the answer is this one. Nice.